Firstly, clean the carbon deposited on the exterior portion of the nozzle. If the amount of the carbon deposit is large, remove the extraneous matter by soaking the nozzle in the carbon remover or in the undiluted solution of cresol. Proceed to the disassembly after eliminating the carbon. Use the exclusive tools for the disassembly and cleaning of fuel injection valve. Remove the fuel injection valve guard and disassemble the fuel injection valve in numerical order shown in the figure. Firstly, loosen fuel injection pressure adjusting nut. Secondly, remove the nozzle case nut to remove the nozzle assembly. It is now possible to remove the spacer, spring sheet, and spring hold from the fuel valve body. Handle the disassembled parts with care not to damage them, and also clean them with washing oil. After the cleaning, check the nozzles for corrosion or the seized valves. Also, check for worn springs or damaged spacers. We recommend that you maintain the spare parts, keeping in mind that an average service life of nozzle assembly is 2,000 to 3,000 hours.